Some say I'm damn good. But if you think you can turn me out, baby, I wish that you would, cause you keep telling me this, you telling me that.
Today, I'm going to show y'all exactly how many vendors are out here, how many people are selling things out here, and people getting their hustle on. I mean, people are really selling stuff like hand sanitizer, booths with masks. People are hustling, chasing that money, and that's what's up. I like seeing people hustling. I like seeing people making a living. I just don't like seeing people using the system, sitting at home collecting money and don't want to work, when they're very healthy and they can get out and they can work, they can stack their money, save it, and they can even live better and become more wealthier. But people don't want that. A lot of people just want to sit home, collect some unemployment, chill, don't work. Oh, I'm making more money at home than I was making at work. But guess what, buddy? When that money gone, you're going to be looking for a job. But guess what? I'm going to show you guys this market that I have my t-shirt shop in. And I ain't gonna even lie, we're very busy in here. That's with the customers that walk through the door, and that's with the customers that I advertise to walk through the door. So we're busy. So I'm going to walk through the market, let y'all see what other people sell. Y'all check this place out.
Hey, my name is Curtis. I'm here at Gig Designers. This is our oil shop. We sell the best perfume and cologne oils in Brevard County. We have sage, we have lemongrass, we have incense, we have burning oils. Some of the best burning oils ever. So when you get a chance, stop on by Renegades Market. Name is Curtis. My number is 786-419-0671, or you reach me at www.gigdesigners.com. That's www.gigdesigners.com. Come on by, visit me.
See me. Y'all can see a lot of people don't wear masks, but I'm keeping it safe. I ain't about that life. I'm trying to live long, which I don't even think I can catch COVID, but I ain't trying to catch it either. Now check this out. I'm gonna check out my neighbor over here. She's across from me. I'm gonna give her a little cameo too, cause she's a sweet lady and she be over there getting a hustle on. So I'm gonna let y'all check out her shop.
Hi, I'm Lisa McCarthy here at the Renter's Flea Market in Melbourne. Please come out and see us. We sew pouches on and we sell concealed weapons handbags that you cannot find in regular stores.
You, I just can't get next to you, girl, no. I can fly like a bird in the sky. I can buy anything that money can buy. I can turn a river into a reservoir. And I can live without giving some time. Unimportant, all these things I can do. 'Cause I think as much to you, no matter what I do. Yeah. I can turn back the hands of time, but I believe I can. I'll turn back those seasons tree, just like the wind in my hands. I can change anything from old to new. Things I wanted to do the most, I'm unable to do. Unhappy mind with all the powers I possess. 'Cause girl, you're the key to my happiness. And girl, you're blowing my mind, 'cause I can't get it. Can't you see the tears I'm crying? I gotta get it up. Girl, this you that I need. I wanna get up. Can't you see the tears I'm crying? I gotta get it up. I can't get. I gotta get. Come on down, get on down, and let me get next. Yeah, come on down, get on down, let me get next. Oh, hey, baby.
What's been annoying me every day is I have to work every day, 7 days a week. That's been annoying as hell. Every day, I can't enjoy the fruit of my labor because I have to work. I have to work. I want you guys to do me a favor, hit that bell, subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you click on those notifications so you can keep updated with all my new vlogs I post. Until then, see you guys later.